Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an invoice in QuickBooks. If you're running any kind of business or freelance work, knowing how to create a proper invoice is essential. It's not just about asking for money, it's about presenting your services professionally, tracking payments, and keeping your finances organized. Start by opening QuickBooks and logging into your account. At the top left corner, click on Create. A drop-down menu will appear. From the options, click on Invoice. This opens a new invoice page. At the top of the invoice, you'll see your company details. You can edit the business name, email, phone number, and company address. Then click on Save. Why this matters? This is your branding, so it makes your invoice look professional and helps clients recognize who it's from. Next, click on Add Customer. Select an existing customer or create a new one. Then enter the customer's email address as well. Why this matters? This is where the invoice will be sent, so it ensures fast and direct delivery. After that, confirm the billing recipient and make sure the invoice number is correct as well. Now, add what you're charging for. Select it from the drop-down that presents. Then, write a short explanation of the product or service. Next, fill in the price and quantity. Why these steps matter? This is the core of your invoice, and it shows what the client is paying for. These makes pricing transparent and reduces disputes. Finally, you can allow options like credit, debit card, or bank transfer. Before sending, review the customer details, items, and pricing, as well as total amount. Then click Review and Send. What happens next? The client receives the invoice via email. They can review and pay, and QuickBooks tracks the payment status. Using QuickBooks properly helps you stay organized, get paid faster, and look more professional. To summarize, creating an invoice in QuickBooks involves clicking Create, selecting Invoice, adding company and customer details, entering products or services, enabling payment options, and reviewing before sending. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.